Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. In this recipe, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make a thick, quick, and delicious brown gravy. It's a great tasting gravy and works well whenever you're in a bind on a weeknight and need a fast gravy, or it's an easy holiday fix. It's a no-brainer gravy for Thanksgiving or Christmas. So let me show you how to make it. Round up some arrowroot. It's going to be the thickening agent for this gravy. We're going to make an arrowroot slurry. If you don't like arrowroot or if you don't have any, you can substitute with cornstarch. Grab a bowl, drop in 2 tablespoons or 16 grams. In this recipe, it can't get any easier. 3 main ingredients, plus salt and pepper, of course. And the next ingredient happens to be bone broth. 2 cups or 500 milliliters. And any sort of stock or broth would work if you wanted to substitute it out, so chicken, beef, veggie, you name it. Add a few tablespoons of the bone broth to the slurry and then give it a mix. Once it's well combined, put it to the side. We'll get back to it later. Snag the remaining portion of the bone broth and pour it into the pan. And by the way, this little pouch, it happens to contain 2 cups exactly, or 500 milliliters of bone broth. So this gravy altogether, it should serve approximately 6 people. Crank your burner up to medium heat and we'll add the next ingredient. Onion soup mix. Why not, right? It's tasty. A lot of people use it. They throw it onto a roast and then the drippings from the roast make a delicious gravy. So why not just use it directly to make a simple gravy? 2 to 3 tablespoons will do the job. That's about 16 to 24 grams. To this, you can spank on a little black pepper. Stir everything together and bring it to a simmer. And while this is starting to come to a simmer, it's a perfect time to check out the Sauce and Gravy channel cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. It includes 70 of the top sauce and gravy recipes. It would be a great birthday or Christmas idea. I'll put links in the description section below, as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel website. Back to the gravy. Let it simmer for about 1 minute, then you can turn down the heat to low. Grab that slurry, give it a mix just to make sure that arrowroot is up off the bottom of the bowl. At this point, you have a decision to make. Do you want a thick gravy or a thin gravy? If you want it thick, dump it all in. If you want it on the thin side, dump about half of the slurry in. Either way, make sure that you're whisking the gravy as you're pouring it in. And don't go anywhere because this will thicken up really quick. When the arrowroot starts to heat up, it'll activate and it'll start to thicken up that gravy. So if you're one of those that wanted a thinner gravy and you just poured half of that slurry in, check it out really quick, see if it's as thick as you like. If it is, good, you're ready to move on. If it's not, dump a little bit more in, give it a stir, heat it up, and check it out and see if you're ready to go. And voila, bam, in under 5 minutes, you have a thick, rich, and delicious brown gravy. As always, give it a quick taste, see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Crack in some black pepper or some additional salt if needed. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a thick, quick, delicious brown gravy. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. If you like sauces and gravies, you might want to smash that subscribe button and hit that all notifications bell to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce making tips and techniques. Thanks again for watching, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.